Assalamualaikum. My name is Mirza Zaidi from 2748 project SCS. So today I'm going to present my portfolio for my project. So the title of my mini project is Comparative Study of Recycling Practice in Urban and Rural Application for Environmental Sustainability. So for introduction, uh, these studies compare recycling practice in urban and rural Kelantan, specifically Banazulu Ayalanas, to assess their effectiveness, risks and challenges in waste management, as well as their compliance with recycling standards for environmental sustainability. So, background of study. Modern technology has led to many innovations, but not all have the environment's population growth and have increased waste metal recycling, essential to reduce waste and conserve resources. In Malaysia, the 3R urban reduce, reuse, and recycle has been widely practiced across all age groups and rural areas. For the problem statement, these studies highlight the rising solid waste problem and low of public awareness of recycling, especially in rural and urban areas. Difference in recycling practice are influenced by infrastructure, facility, and awareness levels with urban areas better equipped than rural ones. The studies aim to identify these challenges and suggest appropriate solutions. The objective of uh, this project is the study evaluates recycling awareness and practice in urban areas, compare the efforts, assess environmental impacts, identify which area produce more waste, and determine the most effective recycling method. Scope of study. This study used various methods to compare waste disposal uh, in urban and rural areas, focusing on Jeli City and Island sekitar residential aged 18 and above to access their recycling knowledge and attitude. The goal is to understand how population growth and recycling difference affect environmental sustainability and identify the key impact. So, significance of study. This study is very important to maintain environmental sustainability in addition to having rapid development both in urban and rural areas. In the modern world, development need to keep with the latest development, namely development that has implemented environmental friendly development and care for first study area has been chosen is for urban is Jelita and for rural area is Ayalanas. For literature review, so what is recycling? Recycling is one of the practice that was introduced a long time ago. In Malaysia, this practice has been practiced since 2020 with rate of 10.1% throughout Malaysia. Recycling can be carried out by recycling used or discard goods into other goods that can be used for other use, whether specific use or not. That many of recycling access is to collect, process, and reuse. Recycling in urban area. Uh, Recycling can be practiced in both urban and rural areas if done correctly. Urban areas have better recycling facilities and technology allowing them to recycle on a larger and more efficient scale, such as using incinerator to generate electricity. In contrast, rural area uh, tend to recycle using traditional methods without advanced technology. Although rural areas produce less hazardous waste than urban areas, both regions engage in recycling but with different approach and capacities. Uh, the importance of recycling in urban areas is recycling in urban areas help reduce pollution, conserve resources, and create jobs promoting greener cities and sustainable habits in rural areas. It also reduces waste and other offer income opportunity. Education on recycling is vital in both settings to maintain environmental awareness and support sustainable development. So the challenge and obstacle of recycling in urban environment. So recycling in urban gets challenging by limited access to facilities and high costs despite awareness effort in rural areas. Low environmental concern and lack of facility in the recycling authorities manage waste collection to prevent environmental issue from collected garbage. So from methodology, in methodology we have methods and material. So for method, the type of study is quantitative study use survey in Bandar Jeli, urban and Ayalanas rural to collect data. The method is suitable for comparable areas and larger sample size improve result accuracy. So for sample type, the survey target individual age 18 and above focusing on teenager to adult as they are more likely to have a good understanding of recycling awareness. So for survey size, this study involved residents of islands in Bandar Jeli. Based on the Regis and Morgan formula, the population 10,000 required 370 respondents, 285 from urban and 140 845 from rural areas. So for main research though, this study will be conducted using a questionnaire platform will contain several sections that divided into section A basic information, age, gender, occupation, education, section B understanding of recycling practice, section C recycling activities. This scale used in this study is of 5 types, namely 1 strongly disagree, 5 strongly agree. So for data collection method, study data can be collected in two ways depending on the place or area. Both of these methods can be used to record data and information. One of the following methods is physically distributing questionnaires in local population areas or online Google Form, depending on the place and its suitable. The data collection period is either 3 weeks or 4 weeks. So the research activity is study will be conducted by following our research activity one of which is during the study. Obtaining permission from the respondent to obtain data or information. Two, respondent personal data is stored securely. Respondent have the right to withdraw from answering the survey. So the material that I use from this study is the study we use several tools and material throughout the implementation of this study. Care will be taken to obtain sample of information and two are used the most effective tool today is obtaining information or data. First is questionnaire. This study will use the questionnaire method in creating the necessary data and one of them is physical where a set of questionnaire will be distributed to the respondent to identify knowledge that relate recycling respondent who will be surveyed are in both urban and rural area. This question will be 5 point like scale. Electronic equipment. In this question, we also use the online method. The method used via Google Form. This method will be used according to this situation and area. This method is faster in obtaining data information because the circulation of the area that use electronic equipment today is high. The electronic equipment used is mobile phone, laptop, and tablet. Vehicles is one of the important tool in collecting data because to move from urban and rural areas have quite long distance and we really need transportation to complete this study quickly. In addition, the vehicle that used are either motorcycle, bus or cars to enable moving from one place to another. Uh, for research flowchart, for research flowchart, we start from select title, from go to introduction, background of study, objectives, significance of studies, problem statement, and scope of study. Next, we go to literature review, and we go to area, which mean rural areas, Ajalanas, and urban areas, Jelitang. Next, we go to study methods, which mean online and physical. Then we move to development of research method, we record data. Then number 8, we have information result. Then number 9 is with summary and recommendation. And finally, research the report. We go for Gantt chart and milestone. Selection title and objective is literature review is April, and research method and instrument development more to May, June, and to review sample selection area is starting from June to July. Data collection is July is August. Discussion of findings, writing the final report, presentation and submission of report is got August and October. For milestone, this title and objective of study are finalized April and reviewed by supervisor. Complete literature review if finished by May, supervisor framework study, questionnaire complete and June, and test and June. Data collection set is complete is from June. Final report complete and submit is public is June. For research budget, estimate cost of printing questionnaire form, estimate 300 copy, 50 transportation, visit to urban Bandar Chile rural area, Ayalanas study areas, 20 study report of study presentation is probably 50. So total amount of this study cost is 120, and this is the referral for this study. So that's it for my presentation for my portfolio. Thank you.